What's up guys, welcome to Dustin Off the Pans. What we're gonna make today is a new kind of breakfast. It's not a quiche, it's not a brochette, and it's not a frittata. It's not a crumpet. What is it? I'm gonna call it an egg bake. So before your mouth starts watering, let's get started. So first thing what we're going to do, guys, is preheat the oven to 375. This takes around, depending on what you put in there, anywhere from 30 to 50 minutes. I'll give you the exact time on this one. I haven't done it before, so here we go. You get you a nice little 9x9 Pyrex glass pan. Give it a little spray. Coat it pretty good, not super heavy, don't really need it. I've made quite a few of these before, but not this one in particular. So you set this aside. Pyrex glass bowl. About a half a cup dairy-free milk. So next you're going to grab your Birch Bender's pancake mix. It's dairy-free, paleo, with almond and coconut and cassava, eggs, and monk fruit. Right in the bowl. Mix it up real nice. Screw that, I'm getting a whisk. Alright, so you're going to want a nice creamy consistency. Like I said, lots of air. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Alright, so now that that's done, we'll set that aside. A little bit of this is dairy-free Daiya cheese, already shredded up. I'm gonna put this right in the bowl, here, right in there. Then next we're gonna grab some of my favorite sauce, Nanita's finest green chili. This is a medium half. Throw that baby right in there. About, I would say, a good half cup. Nutritional yeast, again, one of my favorite things to use. I'm gonna go right here. Okay, a little bit of pepper. Give it a little mix, and right in the bowl here. Give it a little stir. All right. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this baby right in the oven, 375, and I'm gonna go about 30 minutes to start. When it's almost done cooking, I'm gonna put this provolone style Daiya cheese right on there. These are actually little slices. They come pre-sliced. Again, nice dairy-free idea. So let's pop it in the oven. And that's uncovered for about a half an hour. Let's go take a little break. Alright guys, so I checked it at 30 minutes. Wasn't quite ready yet. You'll know when it's ready when it kind of cracks at the top here, and you can touch it and you can feel that it's not liquidy underneath there. So, like I said, 40 minutes for this one. I'm going to put some of these slices on top. Looks like so. And we're going to just pop it back in there for a few minutes just until this melts. So broil high just till it melts, maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes, something like that. So it gets nice and bubbly and gooey. We'll take it out and we'll give it a try. Alright there, it's been like 3 minutes. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off and get it out. Nice, gooey, dairy-free provolone cheese on top of that baby. Nice and bubbly. Delicious. Okay, now we'll just we'll let it cool for a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and we'll go ahead and cut all the way around. Cut it into nice little squares, and we're gonna pop it out and give it a taste. Maybe a little sprinkle paprika just to make it look pretty. Thanks for watching today's episode, everybody. Had a delicious egg bake. Boom, bam, boom. Nice and simple. I'm gonna actually use this for my breakfast for the next 4 days. Got 4 nice little sections. Pop it in a couple containers, take it to work. Awesome. So until next time, guys, keep cooking, and we'll see you later.